Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, the channel that hops you around the world. Today, we're exploring the wonders of Vietnam, starting with the spectacular Ha Long Bay. Often described as the jewel in Vietnam's crown, Ha Long Bay is a breathtakingly beautiful destination, graced with stunning limestone islands that jut out of the emerald waters. This natural wonder is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a testament to the geological and cultural history of the region. Each of these islands has been sculpted over millions of years, and many are home to ancient fishing communities, adding a human touch to the natural spectacle. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Ha Long Bay is a treasure trove of biodiversity, hosting an array of marine and terrestrial species. A cruise around this bay is not just about sightseeing, it's an immersion into a world where nature, history, and culture blend seamlessly. Ha Long Bay truly is a journey into Vietnam's heart and soul. Vietnam's history is not just about natural wonders. It has a gripping war history that shaped the country's identity. The Vietnam War, a conflict that spanned 2 decades, left an indelible mark not only on the land, but also on the hearts and minds of its people. This tumultuous period is brought to life at the War Remnants Museum in Ho Chi Minh City, where artifacts, photographs, and personal stories tell a tale of struggle and survival. Then there are the Cu Chi tunnels, a labyrinthine network burrowed deep into the earth. These tunnels, which once served as hiding spots and supply routes for the Viet Cong, offer a sobering glimpse into the harsh realities of war. Today, they stand as a testament to the determination and resilience of the Vietnamese people. The resilience of Vietnam is deeply ingrained in its war history, painting a poignant picture of its past. Let's turn the page to Vietnam's architectural wonders, beginning with its French colonial architecture. The French influence is deeply etched in the architectural fabric of Vietnam, painting a vivid picture of the past. Picture the grandeur of the Saigon Central Post Office, a stunning edifice that marries European and Asian designs. Its arched windows, ornate facades, and a clock tower standing proud against the Vietnamese sky all whisper stories of a bygone era. Then, there's the Hanoi Opera House, a beacon of French neoclassical style. Imagine the thrill of a night at the opera, under its majestic domed roof and elaborate chandeliers, each detail a testament to French elegance. Every brick, every arch, every column in these landmarks carries the imprint of a time when Vietnam was under French rule. The French colonial architecture in Vietnam serves as a timeless reminder of its historical layers. Now, let's whet your appetite with Vietnamese cuisine. As we delve into the world of Vietnamese food, it's impossible not to mention pho, a comforting bowl of broth, fresh rice noodles, herbs, and usually beef or chicken. It's a breakfast staple in Vietnam, a perfect start to any day. Next, we have banh mi, a delicious legacy of French colonial rule. This sandwich features a crispy baguette filled with an array of ingredients, such as pork, pâté, pickled vegetables, and fresh herbs. Each bite is a unique symphony of flavors and textures. And let's not forget Vietnamese coffee, a rich, dark roast often sweetened with condensed milk. It's a robust drink that packs a punch, often enjoyed slowly over conversation or quiet contemplation. From the simple yet profound flavors of pho, the diverse textures in banh mi, to the bold character of Vietnamese coffee, every meal in Vietnam tells a story. Vietnamese cuisine is a delicious journey for your taste buds, offering an explosion of flavors. Vietnam is home to several UNESCO World Heritage Sites, each with its unique charm. This Southeast Asian nation is a treasure trove of cultural and natural wonders that have earned the recognition of the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, or UNESCO, for their outstanding universal value. Take, for example, the historic complex of Hue. Once the imperial capital of the Nguyen dynasty, this site comprises a well-preserved complex of monuments and relics, including the Imperial City and the Forbidden Purple City. It's like stepping back into a time of emperors and royal courts. Then there's Hoi An Ancient Town, a beautifully preserved trading port dating back to the 15th century. With its unique blend of architectural styles, Hoi An is a living testament to the cultural influences that have shaped Vietnam over centuries. These UNESCO World Heritage Sites are must-visit destinations, preserving Vietnam's rich cultural and historical heritage. Now, let's venture into the historical citadels of Vietnam. These ancient fortresses are more than just old stones and walls. They are the heart and soul of Vietnam's rich history. The imperial citadel of Thang Long, nestled in the bustling city of Hanoi, is a 1,000-year-old complex, reflecting the resilience and creativity of the Vietnamese people. It's a mesmerizing mix of military power, religious significance, and royal heritage. Then there's the Citadel of the Ho dynasty, a 14th century marvel. Constructed with huge stone blocks, it's an architectural wonder. This citadel is a silent witness to the rise and fall of dynasties, the courage of warriors, and the genius of ancient architects. These citadels are not just structures. They are stories etched in stone, waiting to be discovered and appreciated. They are the pages of a history book, written in the language of architecture and time. These historical citadels are living testament to Vietnam's ancient past, standing proudly amidst the modern world. Next stop, the vibrant Mekong Delta. A verdant jewel in Vietnam's crown, the Mekong Delta is a treasure trove of rich biodiversity. This lush water world is home to numerous species of flora and fauna, some of which are found nowhere else on Earth. But the Mekong Delta is more than just a natural wonder. Here, life revolves around the river. The floating markets are a testament to this, where boats brimming with fruits, vegetables, and other goods form a colorful, bustling spectacle on the waterways. As the sun rises, the markets come alive with the sounds of haggling vendors, chugging boat engines, and the lively chatter of locals. Beyond the markets, the Mekong Delta lifestyle is unique and fascinating. The local people have adapted to their watery environment in ingenious ways, from stilt houses to riverine agriculture, creating a distinctive culture that's intrinsically tied to the river. The Mekong Delta is a tapestry of life itself, offering a unique Vietnamese experience. Now brace yourself for the thrilling motorbike culture of Vietnam. Picture this, a river of metal and chrome flowing through the arteries of cities and towns, buzzing with purpose and energy. This is the sight that greets you in Vietnam, where the motorbike is not just a vehicle but a lifeline, threading through every aspect of daily life. From the bustling markets of Hanoi to the sweeping landscapes of the countryside, motorbikes are the pulse of Vietnam. They are the preferred choice for commuting, shopping, even entire families can be seen balancing on one. It's a scene of organized chaos that somehow just works. It's not all about utility, though. The country's breathtaking terrains are best explored on two wheels. Motorbike tours are quite popular, offering an immersive travel experience like no other. Navigating the chaotic yet fascinating traffic becomes a thrilling adventure in itself. The motorbike culture in Vietnam is more than just transportation. It's a way of life. Now let's navigate the bustling streets of Vietnam's capital, Hanoi. This city, steeped in history, offers a unique blend of past and present, where tradition meets modernity. Venture into the Old Quarter, a labyrinth of streets over 1,000 years old. Here, the hustle and bustle of daily life unfolds amidst colonial architecture and ancient temples. Each street, named after the goods once sold there, tells a tale of the city's rich history. A stone's throw away, you'll find the serene Hoan Kiem Lake. Legend has it, a golden turtle deity emerged from its waters, presenting a magical sword to an ancient king. Now it's a tranquil oasis amidst the city's hustle, a place for quiet reflection or a leisurely stroll. Next, the Temple of Literature, a stunning example of traditional Vietnamese architecture. Dedicated to Confucius, it once served as Vietnam's first university, standing as a symbol of the country's deep-rooted respect for education. Hanoi, with its blend of modernity and tradition, truly is the heart of Vietnam. Finally, let's dive into the cosmopolitan charm of Ho Chi Minh City, a city of contrasts where towering skyscrapers rub shoulders with traditional pagodas and bustling markets coexist with sleek shopping malls. Here, the old and the new live in harmony, creating a unique blend of history and modernity. The city's skyline, punctuated by futuristic high-rises, is a testament to its rapid development. Yet, beneath these layers of concrete and steel lies the heart of a culture deeply rooted in its past. When the sun sets, Ho Chi Minh City transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife. The streets hum with energy, as locals and tourists alike flock to rooftop bars, night markets, and live music venues. But it's not just about the glitz and glamour. The city is also home to significant cultural landmarks, like the War Remnants Museum and the Reunification Palace, that echo stories of a resilient past. Ho Chi Minh City, with its dynamic energy, is the perfect end to our Vietnamese adventure.